French door refrigerators have become the hallmark of a modern kitchen renovation, but not all deserve their premium price tags. I've meticulously evaluated the entire market to identify which models actually deliver the perfect trifecta of impressive style, innovative function, and true reliability that justifies the investment. These refrigerators don't just look expensive, they perform exceptionally well where it matters most. Links to the best deals on each refrigerator are in the description box below. The Samsung Bespoke 4-door flex refrigerator brings cutting-edge technology to your kitchen with its impressive AI Family Hub Plus. This smart refrigerator features the industry's largest screen, giving you easy access to recipes, calendars, and entertainment while you cook. One of the most innovative features is AI Vision Inside, which automatically scans and identifies items in your fridge. You'll always know what's stocked and what needs to be replaced without even opening the door. The stylish counter-depth design blends seamlessly with your cabinetry for a built-in look without the premium price tag. Its stainless steel finish offers a modern aesthetic that complements any kitchen decor. The beverage center provides convenient access to cold water in two ways: an internal dispenser or the autofill water pitcher that refills automatically. No more waiting for the pitcher to fill manually. You'll love the 4-door flex design that includes a convertible zone you can switch between fridge and freezer temperatures. This flexibility allows you to adapt storage based on your changing needs, perfect for parties or holiday meal prep. The Bespoke line offers customization options with interchangeable panels in various finishes. As a result, you can easily update your kitchen's look without replacing the entire appliance. Simply swap the panels for a fresh style. Next up on my best-rated French door refrigerator list is this sleek Whirlpool French door refrigerator, which combines style with smart organization in its 19.4 cubic foot capacity. The counter-depth design sits flush with your kitchen countertops, creating a built-in look without the custom price tag. The standout 4-door configuration gives you better visibility and organization for both fresh and frozen foods. You'll love how the side-by-side freezer compartments make it easy to see and access all your frozen items. No more digging through stacked drawers. Flexible organization spaces throughout help reduce clutter and make everything easy to find. The easy-reach shelves are perfect for keeping small containers visible instead of forgotten in the back, while gallon-sized door bins free up valuable shelf space. The pull-out freezer shelves can handle large items like turkeys up to 20 pounds with easy access. Plus, the full-width removable shelf gives you convenient storage for smaller frozen foods like pizza rolls. The factory-installed ice maker eliminates the hassle of filling ice trays. Plus, the clever ice bin even includes a divider, so you can use part of the space for ice packs or popsicles if needed. Total Coverage Cooling uses multi-flow vents to distribute chilled air evenly, eliminating warm spots throughout the refrigerator. When you return from grocery shopping, just hit the Fast Cool button to quickly chill fresh items or fast freeze for your frozen goods. The fingerprint-resistant stainless finish stays looking clean even with daily use, while the LED interior lighting provides bright, energy-efficient illumination that makes food look natural and easy to find. Checking in at number 3 on my best French door refrigerator list, we have the popular Bosch 500 series, which delivers impressive storage with its 21.6 cubic feet capacity, including 15.2 cubic feet for fresh food and 6.4 cubic feet for freezer items. This sleek model fits perfectly in standard 36-inch spaces and offers a true counter-depth design that sits flush with your countertops for that high-end built-in look. Food preservation is exceptional with the VitaFresh Plus system. 2 separate bins with individual humidity controls create the perfect environment for your fruits and vegetables. Your produce stays fresher longer, helping reduce food waste and saving you money on groceries. The Home Connect app puts control at your fingertips, allowing you to monitor and adjust your refrigerator from your smartphone. You can change temperatures, adjust lighting, run diagnostics, and even receive notifications if you leave the door open. You'll love the Quick Ice Pro system, which Bosch proudly calls the industry's fastest refrigerator ice maker. It produces crescent-shaped ice that's easily accessible through the external water and ice dispenser. No more waiting for ice when unexpected guests arrive. The smart bottle fill technology is honestly a game changer for busy households. Fill your favorite container once, save that quantity, and enjoy hands-free refills every time after. This feature is perfect when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Taking the silver medal on my list of the best French door refrigerators is the LG Counter Depth Max refrigerator, which stands out with its innovative zero clearance hinges and thin door design. These features allow you to install the fridge flush against walls or cabinets while still being able to fully open both French doors, perfect for kitchens where space is at a premium. With doors that are 45% thinner than standard models, this refrigerator offers a sleek, built-in appearance without sacrificing interior capacity. You'll enjoy the largest storage space available in LG's zero clearance line, giving you plenty of room for groceries. Premium styling details include restyle bar handles and a freezer pocket handle that not only look sophisticated but also make opening the doors effortless. The overall design blends seamlessly into modern kitchens while maintaining functionality. Honestly, in terms of space maximization, this top-rated French door refrigerator is one of the best on the market. No longer do you have to choose between capacity and a counter-depth French door design. The refrigerator's smart features connect with the ThinQ app, allowing you to control settings remotely and receive notifications. This connectivity makes managing your refrigerator more convenient than ever. The dual ice makers are perfect for entertaining. You can even boost ice production with a simple touch on the control panel or through the ThinQ app when hosting gatherings. So, what is the best French door refrigerator on the market? Based on months of research and expert consultation from both consumers and technicians, I'd have to say that the GE Profile Energy Star Smart 4-Door Refrigerator is the best French door refrigerator that you can buy right now. This premium refrigerator combines spaciousness with smart technology to elevate your kitchen experience. With a massive 27.9 cubic feet of storage, you'll have plenty of room for all your groceries, divided between 19.34 cubic feet for fresh food and 8.55 cubic feet for frozen items. Your produce stays fresher longer with soft-close vegetable drawers, while the twin-chill dual evaporator system creates separate climate zones for the fridge and freezer sections. This means optimal conditions for both fresh and frozen foods. The innovative door-and-door design lets you access favorite items without opening the main door, saving energy, and keeping temperature stable. The rotating bin accommodates taller items like wine bottles with ease. The smart capabilities are truly impressive. Through the Smart HQ app, you can receive alerts, customize the LED lighting brightness, and activate turbo cool and freeze settings when needed. Hands-free autofill is super useful for busy households. Simply place your container under the dispenser, and sensors automatically release the exact amount of filtered water you need. Walk away and come back to a perfectly filled bottle. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish keeps your fridge looking clean even with daily use. No more constant wiping to maintain that showroom shine. Smudges and fingerprints wipe away easily. This Energy Star qualified model consumes just 758 kilowatt hours per year, helping you save on energy bills while reducing your environmental footprint. Okay, so there you have it. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on the best French door refrigerators. Links to the best deals for each product mentioned are in the description below.